When it comes to gaming laptops, few brands consistently deliver products that push boundaries. The ROG Strix SCAR 18 2025 is no exception. If you're searching for the best gaming laptop in 2025, this one might just top your list. Let's dive into the specs, features, and performance that make this powerhouse worth considering. The ROG Strix SCAR 18 was unveiled on January 7, 2025, during the highly anticipated CES 2025 event. With so much hype surrounding gaming laptops this year, the launch ensured a splash with this flagship model. If you're looking for the best gaming laptop in 2025, the SCAR 18's spec sheet alone will leave you impressed. At the heart of this machine lies Intel's Core Ultra 9275HX processor. With 24 cores, 8 focused on performance and 16 on efficiency, this chip is tailored for gaming and multitasking. Its impressive 65-watt TDP ensures it doesn't hold back when you're pushing it to the limits. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU powers the visuals. This GPU, with its max TGP of 175 watt and dynamic boost support, ensures buttery smooth performance. From graphically intensive titles to high frame rate competitive games, the SCAR 18 has you covered. With up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM clocked at 6,400 MHz, multitasking is seamless. Gamers and creators will appreciate the dual SO-DIMM slots, making upgrades straightforward. The storage doesn't disappoint either. The laptop supports up to 4 TB of PCIe Gen4 SSD storage and is even compatible with Gen 5 for those who crave speeds. The SCAR 18 features an 18-inch ROG Nebula mini LED display. Its 2560x1600 resolution, 240 Hz refresh rate, and peak brightness of 1200 nits make it perfect for immersive gaming. Plus, NVIDIA G-Sync ensures there's no screen tearing, no matter how fast-paced the action gets. The best gaming laptop in 2025 wouldn't be complete without top-notch connectivity. The SCAR 18 comes equipped with 2 Thunderbolt 5, 3 USB Type-A, HDMI 2.1, and 2.5G Ethernet ports. As for wireless connectivity, it has Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4. Performance is where the SCAR 18 truly shines. It's not just about impressive specs on paper. This laptop delivers where it counts, in-game. In demanding titles like Starfield and Cyberpunk 2077, the SCAR 18 hits an average of 60 to 90 FPS when plugged in. For competitive games such as Overwatch 2, the frame rates soar to a 240 FPS, making full use of the display's capabilities. Battery life is decent for general tasks, offering around 5.6 hours under normal conditions. However, gaming on battery drains it quickly, which is to be expected from a laptop packing this much power. Gaming laptops often struggle with heat, but this model tackles it with advanced cooling technology. The SCAR 18 features a vapor chamber cooling system and liquid metal thermal compound. These innovations ensure efficient heat dissipation, keeping the laptop cool during intense gaming sessions. The audio system on this laptop is no afterthought. Equipped with a quad-speaker setup and Dolby Atmos support, it delivers immersive sound. Whether you're gaming or watching movies, the audio experience is crisp and detailed. The keyboard and touchpad also deserve a mention. The touchpad is 36% larger than previous models, making navigation smoother. Dedicated gaming hotkeys and RGB lighting add a layer of customization, letting users tweak their setup to their liking. The Armoury Crate software is a highlight. It allows you to customize performance settings, RGB lighting, and more. Whether you're aiming for maximum performance or trying to conserve battery, the software offers plenty of control. This machine ticks nearly every box for gamers and creators. Its combination of cutting-edge hardware, stunning display, and advanced cooling makes it a strong contender for the title of the best gaming laptop of 2025. Pros of this laptop are powerful Intel Core Ultra 9 and NVIDIA RTX 5090 GPU, stunning mini LED display, extensive customization options, and an advanced cooling system. As for the cons, battery life during gaming could be better, and the price might be steep for some users. This model has once again raised the bar for gaming laptops. While it's undoubtedly a premium product, it delivers performance and features that justify the price tag. If you're after the best gaming laptop in 2025, this one should be on your radar. Would you consider the SCAR 18 as your next gaming laptop? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to share this video with fellow tech enthusiasts.